My life is my message. This was a great saying of Mahatma Gandhi, who is well known as Father of India. He set his life as an example to others. So today, on his birthday, let us know more about him. The whole country joyfully celebrates Gandhi Jayanti. The government has declared it as gazetted holiday. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in the year 1869, October 2nd, to Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai in the town named Porbandar. He got married to Kasturbai. Children lovingly call him Bapuji. He was shot on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Gandhiji graduated from Ahmedabad, later became an Indian lawyer. He employed non-violence resistance to lead successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. Assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhiji led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhiji was a practical idealist, also always valued cleanliness and sanitation. Mahatma believed that we are trustees of Mother Earth. But we have relentlessly transformed our planet by raising temperature and sea levels, destroying biodiversity and polluting the atmosphere. Indeed, the real reason for the outbreak of COVID-19 is nature's response to humans. Today, let us decide to live a life for the well-being of others and do justice to our earth. Jai Hind, Jai Bapuji.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lavanya Santosh and I am from class 6. Today is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This is Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary. Because of his struggles for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact, in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember the Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Alona Abraham. I am studying in class 3B. നമ്മൾക്കുണ്ടേ ചങ്ങാതികളെ നല്ലൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ നിലാവ് തോൽക്കും മധുര പുഞ്ചിരി തൂകിയ മുത്തച്ഛൻ നമ്മൾക്കുണ്ടേ ചങ്ങാതികളെ നല്ലൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ നിലാവ് തോൽക്കും മധുര പുഞ്ചിരി തൂകിയ മുത്തച്ഛൻ വിനയത്തിൻ്റെ കിരീടം ചൂടിയ വലിയൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ നേരും നിറയും കൈമുതലാക്കിയ പാവം മുത്തച്ഛൻ വടിയും കുത്തി പല നാടുകളെ താണ്ടിയ മുത്തച്ഛൻ നിറം തോക്കുകളുടെ മുന്നിൽ കൂടെ നടന്നൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ നമ്മൾക്കുണ്ടേ ചങ്ങാതികളെ നല്ലൊരു മുത്തച്ഛൻ നിലാവ് തോൽക്കും മധുര പുഞ്ചിരി തൂകിയ മുത്തച്ഛൻ. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു.
ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വീടും പരിസരവും എല്ലാം വൃത്തിയാക്കി. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുപോലെ ചെയ്യണേ. താങ്ക് യു.